it's really important to remember if up to 3/4 of your drink is the mixer, and you're going to spend really good money on a great quality spirit, then make sure the mixer you choose is the best you can possibly find.
Scapegrace's dominant botanicals are orange and lemon peel, which gives a real citrus, super smooth finish.
Starwood wine cask, I guess unlike any other single malt whiskey you find in the market, you can't really compare it to Irish whiskey or bourbon whiskey or Scotch whiskey. It's very much an Australian single malt whiskey, down to the fact that we fully mature our whiskey in ex-Australian wine barrels. This is a really uncommon maturation process and something that Starwood has really owned in our signature style.
Southern Comfort is the only spiced whiskey on the market. It's unique and will allow a new generation of consumers to enter the category easily.
Made locally just near us here in Erina, just north of Sydney. We believe in local produce, we believe in local product, and we also believe in the religion of coffee, taking it not only from the day and into the night. Mr. Black, half the sugar of all other coffee liqueurs on the market, 10 times the caffeine. If you're a coffee aficionado, this is the drink for you.
Tito's Vodka is America's original craft vodka. It's made from 100% corn, making it gluten-free.
Only whiskey aged between 8 to 10 years make the grade for selection. This is twice the age of most of the bourbons in its competitive set.
Now, 78 Degrees Gin is marked as a very complex but balanced gin. So for us, best international gin, it's all about balance of flavor, intensity of botanicals, and consistency of product.
My favourite brand tonight was Starwood whiskey.
I like the Tito's vodka, but I kind of already loved that. So once you drink Mr. Black, you don't go back.